Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, we got something new. We went shopping the other day and I found this. Do anybody know what this is? What you think, it's a cake pan? A wok? No. This is a Mongolian barbecue grill. It's like a helmet. That's what they said. It's a helmet you cook on, but it's made out of cast iron and it's actually a cooking utensil. I have never seen a grill like this, never used a grill like this. I had to have it. So what I did, I bought it, brought it home, and got to studying how to use it. Now I'm gonna show y'all. Now, if you ever been to one of those restaurants where they have like the grills where they have all Mongolian food, like Genghis, that's what this is based off. The only difference is Genghis has like a 5-foot version of this. So that's the difference. This is what you would do family size. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you how you do this.
Okay guys, my job is to get this meat seasoned. So right now I am adding some olive oil to the meat. On top of that, I'm going to be adding fajita seasoning. Then I'm going to come in, after I toss it a little bit, I'm going to add my steak seasoning. So after adding that seasoning, it's really nice and seasoned. I'm going to add some roasted bell peppers and garlic. No sodium, so it's going to just give a little bit of additional flavor. And that is it. Now it is ready to go to the grill.
Okay, so what I'm doing now is letting my grill get hot. Now, I'm going to oil it up. And what I'm actually going to cook today, y'all, on this grill, I'm going to cook beef. I'm going to make some fajitas. Okay, I'm going to make some fajitas. I'm using olive oil. I'm going to put our vegetables at the bottom. Right?
Oh, that looks really, really hot.
Then you put the meat. And the meat is, I found that you put the meat on there cold. But the grill is so hot. If y'all can smell this, this is, you can smell that beef, smell that seasoning, those
steak
peppers,
seasoning.
steak seasoning,
And fajita.
See how fast it cooks?
Wow. And you know iron is something. And this is going to be part of our series, guys, that we're going to be bringing to our cooking channel, which is called Cooking with Iron. So yeah, and we're going to be cooking a lot of dishes with iron, with our iron dishes. So yeah, that looks so good, honey.
That's real time. That is real time.
Yep, that was quick. And one aspect about this grill, the oil from the meat, even if it's a little, it runs down the side of the grill and also seasons the vegetables.
Usually it's the other way around, like not on this grill. Don't get this, you know.
Just keep flipping, it's so good.
This is a well done family here, medium well done.
Yeah, I like medium well.
So this about ready now. I mean, it is tender. When you use this grill, your meat will come out tender.
That is really cooking fast. Honey, that looks like it is done. Let me get my plate. What about the vegetables? Do you need to move them around?
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit? Okay.
That's mine. Oh, you want some more?
Okay, give me a little vegetable, some onions.
Like this?
Yeah, those right there. That looks so good. Look at that, guys. Look at that. That looks so juicy. Okay, honey, I'm gonna be the first on the table.
So what we're cooking with today is flap meat. It's a fajita meat. It is on this grill. This is so tender. I swear, after you cook with this, you probably won't cook with a regular skillet again. This was a fine, y'all. This is what you call a fine. The meat comes out so tender. Now we're using fajita seasoning, but you can do all kinds of seasoning that you like.
Can't wait to cook shrimp on it, babe, and chicken.
Yeah, so tune into our channel. We're gonna cook more stuff on it. Matter of fact, we got a whole series on iron. I mean, I have iron everything, okay? That's my favorite dish. Always been my favorite. So just tune in, subscribe, like, thumbs up. Thumbs up if you like the video. Thumbs up if you don't like the video. Make a comment. Tell me what you like about it. Make a comment. Tell me what you like about it. Say it. Trust me.
It is really good, y'all.
This is good. This is, I love beef and I love fajitas. This here is, I can't go to another restaurant again. I'm good.
All right. Okay, guys, you heard it from the chef. All right, if you like this, guys, like he said, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And this is going to be part of our series, Cooking with Iron. And we will see you guys in the next video.
Okay.